Good morning, students. मैं रामपाल प्रजापति फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट इन FTIT दोसा। डियर स्टूडेंट, आज की इस लेक्चर में हम स्टडी करेंगे सर्किट एनालिसिस एंड आवर टॉपिक इज पावर इन AC सर्किट। वी नो दैट in electrical circuit, power is the product of voltage and current. So, we consider a passive circuit and instantaneous voltage in the circuit is V, that is called to Vm sin omega t, and current I is Im sin omega t minus phi, where I being the phase difference between voltage and current at any instant. So, the value of phi may be negative when voltage leads by the current, and phi is positive when voltage lags the current, and phi is 0 when current and voltage both are in same phase. This case is when circuit is purely resistive circuit. Now the instantaneous power in passive circuit is given by P is equal to V into I, जहाँ V is Vm sin omega t and I is Im sin omega t minus phi. Now we multiply and divide by 2 the equation, then we get P is equal to 2 Vm Im sin omega t dot sin omega t minus phi divided by 2, which can also be written as 1 by half Vm Im cos omega t minus omega t plus phi cos 1 minus cos omega t plus omega t minus phi. This equation is obtained from the mathematical formula. We know that 2 sin omega t or 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, जहाँ A is omega t and B is omega t minus phi. So, the simplified equation is P is equal to 1 by half Vm Im cos phi minus cos 2 omega t minus phi. There are two terms of power. One is 1 by half Vm Im cos of phi minus 1 by half Vm Im cos 2 omega t minus phi, where cos 2 omega t minus phi term is a double frequency term, and 1 by half Vm Im cos phi is the active power in the circuit. So, power consists only the term 1 by half Vm Im cos phi, which is the average power in the passive circuit. Thus, the average power in passive circuit is given by P average is equal to 1 by half Vm Im cos phi, which can also be written as Vm by root 2 into Im by root 2 cos of phi. We know that Vm by root 2 is RMS value of V and Im by root 2 is RMS value of I. So P average is Vrms Irms cos of phi. In a pure resistive circuit, the value of phi is equal to 0 since current and voltage both are in same phase. You know that in a resistive circuit, voltage and current both remain in the same phase. So the value of phi is 0. Thus, average power in AC circuit having a pure resistance is given by PR is equal to VI cos 0, that is equal to VI watt. Here watt is the unit of power. Next is, in a pure capacitive circuit, phi is equal to 90 degree, and in a pure inductive circuit, phi is equal to minus 90 degree. Since we know that the current in capacitive circuit lead the voltage by 90 degree, while in pure inductive circuit, current lags the voltage by 90 degree. So we write minus phi. So power in a pure capacitive circuit is written as P is equal to VI cos 90 degree, and cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So power P is equal to 0. While the same in pure inductive circuit, P is equal to VI cos minus 90 degree. So cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So P is equal to 0. Thus, the average power consumed by pure inductance or capacitance is 0. It means inductor and capacitor does not dissipate power. These elements can store power and in next cycle discharge the same power. So the stored power in the circuit at any instant is equal to 0. Now power angle triangle. What is the power angle triangle? Power angle triangle is the geometrical representation of the apparent power, average power and reactive power. In an inductive load, V and I phasors are shown in figure, while the real reactive components of the current are shown in figure B. Figure C represents power triangle for inductive load. So, in figure A, for inductive circuit, voltage is V and current I is lagging by angle phi, and in figure B, current I cos phi, and that is in resistive circuit, and I phi sin phi in inductive circuit. So total current in the circuit is I. So Vi cos phi is equal to P, that is active power. Vi sin phi is Q, that is reactive power, and S is equal to Vi, that is apparent power in the circuit. Now there are some definitions. First is apparent power. The apparent power is the product of Vi, is called apparent power, and it is usually indicated by the symbol S. It is expressed in volt ampere, hence its unit is volt ampere. Next is reactive power. Reactive power is also known as wattless component of the power or useless. So the product of RMS value of voltage and current with the sign of angle between them is called the reactive power in AC circuit, and it is denoted by the symbol Q. The unit of reactive power is VAR, volt ampere reactive, and it is written as Q is equal to VI sin phi. Other name of reactive power are wattless power and quadrature power. Next term is power factor. What is the power factor? The term cos phi in the term VI cos phi, that is the average power, is called power factor. Means it is the cosine of the angle between the voltage and current in any AC circuit is known as power factor. So the power factor is unity in resistive circuit because angle between voltage and current is equal to 0. So power factor is equal to unity since cos 0 is equal to 1. Now we take a simple example on the basis of power in AC circuit. In the given question, a 1 by 5 HP induction motor runs at an efficiency of 85%. If the operating power factor is 0.8 lagging, so find the reactive power taken by the motor. So first of all, we convert HP into watt. Since 1 HP is equal to 746 watt. So the rating of induction motor is 149.2 watt. We know that P input is equal to P out upon efficiency neta, or neta efficiency of the motor is equal to P out upon P input, where P out is output power of the motor and P in is input power of the motor. In the given circuit, efficiency is 80% of the motor and output is 1 by 5 HP, that is 149.2 watt. So P input is 175.53 watt. Next is power factor is 0.8, that is cos of phi. So the value of sin phi is 0.6. We know that sin square phi is equal to 1 minus cos square phi. From that formula, sin phi is equal to 0.6. Then reactive power Q is equal to VI sin phi, where Q is equal to P input upon cos phi into sin phi. That can also be written as tan phi. So the value of Q is equal to 131.65 VAR, volt ampere reactive. Hence the reactive power taken by the motor is 131.65 VAR. Now in next question, the current in a circuit lags the voltage by 30 degree if the input power be 400 watt. If input power is 400 watt and the supply voltage be V is equal to 100 sin 377t plus 10 degree. Find the complex power. In the given question, power input is 400 watts and angle between voltage and current is 30 degree, and equation of voltage is equal to 100 sin 377t plus 10 degree. So we have to find complex power. So the solution is given data phi 30 degree, cos phi or cos 30 is equal to 0.866 lagging. So I is equal to P upon V cos phi, where P is 400, I is cos phi is 0.866, and V is equal to 100 by root 2. That is the RMS value of V. So the value of I is equal to 6.53 ampere by angle minus 30 degree. Again, complex power S is equal to VI conjugate, that is equal to 100 by root 2 into I, 6.53 by angle 30 degree. That is 461.74 cos 30 plus J sin 30 degree. This is the complex power in the circuit. Okay students, now we will take a simply short revision of the data which we have studied in this lecture. Dear students, in this lecture we have studied about instantaneous power in AC circuit. So first of all we know that power in AC circuit is equal to VI into cos of phi. Simple power is the product of voltage and current. In AC circuit, in AC passive circuit, let me consider that waveform of voltage is Vm sin omega t and waveform of current is Im sin omega t minus phi. The value of phi may be positive or negative. It depends on the circuit parameter. If the circuit is inductive, then the value of phi is negative. If the circuit is capacitive, then the value of phi is positive. We know that in inductive circuit, current lags the voltage by angle phi. In a capacitive circuit, current leads the voltage by angle phi. Now, the equation of instantaneous power P is P is equal to VI, that is equal to Vm Im sin omega t dot sin omega t minus phi. Now, we multiply and divide the equation by 2. So, the next equation is equal to P is 2 Vm Im sin omega t dot sin omega t minus phi divided by 2. There is a formula in mathematics is 2 sin A sin B is equal to sin A minus B or cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So we can write P is equal to 1 by half Vm Im cos omega t minus omega t plus phi minus cos omega t plus omega t minus phi, where omega t is considered as A and omega t minus phi is considered as B. So the power P is 1 by half Vm Im cos phi minus cos 2 omega t minus phi. That can also be written as 1 by half Vm Im cos of phi and 1 by half Vm Im cos 2 omega t minus phi. There are two terms of power where 1 by half Vm Im cos phi is the average power in the circuit. So power consists only the term 1 by half Vm Im cos phi, which is also known as average power in passive circuit. It can also be written as Vm by root 2 Im by root 2 cos of phi, that is Vrms Irms cos of phi. The value of phi depends on the circuit. If phi is equal to 0, when circuit is pure resistive circuit, because voltage and current are in same phase. Thus, average power in AC circuit having a pure resistance is PR is equal to VI cos 0 degree, cos 0 is equal to 1, so P is equal to VI watt, jahan watt is the unit of power. In second case, in a pure capacitive circuit, phi is equal to 90 degree, and in a pure inductive circuit, phi is equal to minus 90 degree. So, power in a pure capacitive circuit is P is equal to VI cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0, so P is equal to 0. Similarly, in a pure inductive circuit, power P is equal to VI cos minus 90 degree, that is also equal to 0. Thus, average power consumed by the pure inductance or capacitance is equal to 0. Next term is power angle triangle. Power angle triangle is geometrical representation of the apparent power, average power and reactive power. In an inductive load, VI figures are shown in figure, while the real reactive components of the current are shown in figure B, and figure C represents the power triangle for the inductive load. Now some current power is the product of VI relative VA, volt, ampere, and symbol is S. Reactive power, product of RMS value of voltage and current with the sign of angle between them is called reactive power, denoted by symbol Q, and unit is VAR, and it is written as Q is equal to VI sin phi. Other names of reactive power are wattless power or quadrature power. Now power factor. Power factor is the cosine of angle between voltage and current, is known as power factor, and the value of power factor is unity for a pure resistive circuit. Thank you student for today class.